horse meat sashimi. Now we're talking. Oh god. With different cuts even. You have horse meat sashimi gacha vending machine. We are watching food content. Because I'm eating. So this is unique vending machines in Japan. And I thought it was pretty cool. As a topic. When he slowly turns into Lina and goes, why is the car so heavy? Most likely. Thank you, Sarah. So, all right, let's see. Yeah, the vending machines, but it's just food, not the weird ones, okay? Not the weird ones. Is it loud enough for you? In Japan, there are many vending machines where you can buy ready-to-drink soup. Wait, soup? Is it loud enough or not? Wait, that doesn't look like soup. Good. Can we watch ordinary sausage? Can you put that on Discord? That sounds so funny. Corn soup. No way. It's freaking... It's... No. Ew. That's... Ew. My guy. That's disgusting. Metro, you've been in Japan. Did you drink that? It's good as well. Really? It's actually good? Oh my god. No. Why? Oh boy, I need to go to that Asian store. Maybe they have something like this. That would be so funny. That would be so funny if they have something like that. That slurp. It's savory, sweet, and creamy with juicy corn kernels that you can chew. And I hate corn usually. That is a lot then. Okay, I don't like beans. The only bean type I like is like this one, red bean, but as paste in dessert. That's the only... And then I get absolute stomach pain, but it's worth it, okay? It's worth it. I'm just taking my stomach medicine and then I can eat it. Really? I like the fillings. I never had the soup though, Metra. But for the fillings, I really need to take my pain medicine first. Otherwise, I will die. Like, literally. It looks weird though. It looks weird to look at the can and there's soup in it. And I mean like a can, like an energy drink or something like that. Ew! Ew, the bean! Ew! That is kind of disgusting. I'm so sorry. That's a little bit disgusting. Much more sweeter, so it's like a dessert. Well, my dog is giving me a stank eye. Enjoy, Yonte. It comes with the red beans itself. Also, it says something that I know which channel is just from how the subtitles and camera angle is. Really? What? What do you mean? Speaking of desserts, a lot of ice cream vending machines. Oh, that's good. Ice cream time. That's fine. I would try that. This is red bean ice cream. It sounds way more appetizing than the soup. It is very sweet though, Metra. It is super sweet. Like I really like those white buns with the red bean in it. This, for example, I would eat now. It sounds way better than the soup. 17 ice. It's just a big ass waffle. Thank you, dog. Let's hear the crunch. Crunch is kind of okay. Delightful sweet red beans and milky ice cream wrapped in a crispy waffle shell. Mm. Combo vending. Hello, Explorer. Welcome. What? Not you too. Red bean paste in general is more like herb. No, it's sweet. Metra, what are you eating? It's very sweet. I love this koala chocolate. It's so good. Metra, next time I'm in the Asian store, I will try to get something with red bean paste. And then I will just eat the paste. The chocolate, the koala ones are really, really good. I know them. They're really, really nice. I think this would be something that Zolti would enjoy a lot. It's like a really nice light snack and look very cute. Very fitting for Zolti. What I'm eating Kasspätzle. It's like Tyrolean thick noodles with a lot of cheese. They're so cute. Look at them. They're really cute. Hello, Dad Pookie. Yeah, I also see Jante. What are you two guys eating that it's bitter? It's super sweet. I would try to get something from the Asian store next time I'm there, okay? I would try get something. Literally every koala has a different design. What the hell? It tastes like squishy. Oh, good crunch. I have to say though, they look a bit more chocolatey than the ones I know from Germany and Austria. Yeah, we're in Japan, Salador. Like, there's similar snacks like this. I'm sorry. In Germany and Austria. But I think this looks way more chocolatey. Maybe para. Oh! Apple juice in Aomori, which is very famous for apples. Yeah, that would be very interesting. Aomori apple juice. Since they're so famous for it. He's just some pure snow. The hell? The creator. Be safe outside, Jonte. Go with your dog. This looks like a really creamy, nice apple juice. I would think I would devour that one. Oh, another sip. It was so good. God, I could go for some apple juice right now as well. The brothers have been spoken. You even almost wrote it the same way. Oh, for apple pie. Oh, it defrosts naturally in 30 minutes and be ready to eat. Oh, interesting. Wait, is that 500 yen? That's an okay price if it tastes really good. That's okay, Chip. Good night. Sleep well, sweet dreams. Bye-bye. Thank you for saying hi. That looks really yummy. That looks really yummy. A square pastry with juicy based apple in the middle. Yeah. Bye-bye. Good night. Even though the cold texture is still nice. It's... Oh, okay. Yeah, I would eat that. I know they have a vending machine for everything, okay? I know they have a vending machine for everything, but fucking fish roe? What? Jesus Christ. Interesting though. Ready to eat, just need to defrost. Oh, it's frozen. Makes sense then. Would be very difficult to store them. Otherwise. 1,500 yen though. Depending on how much it is. No, it's just for fish eggs. There's no sushi. Dog, there's no sushi. There's just fish eggs. Oh, that's convenient. Another cooler. And there you have the eggs. So when you have the rice, but you can't find eggs, you just have the eggs now. Well packed as well. Very true. It's very well packed. It also shows where it's coming from. That's kind of cool. Oh. I'm curious about the taste. My problem with this type of fish roll is I'm not the biggest fan of the big orange ones because they taste bitter to me, okay? They taste bitter to me. I like the small black ones. They're way better. They're like more salty fishy. Those are just bitter fishy. I'm picky with fish eggs, I'm sorry. Mm-hmm. 1,500. It's kind of interesting to eat it like this, though. Yeah, he doesn't have rice on it with them, so it's like fish, just fish egg. Since you are from the, did you eat caviar commonly? Kinda. My human mother is a big fan of those orange ones, but I always wanted black ones, so she bought me different ones. But nowadays, because they do be pricey and I am saving money for a bunch of things, I don't have them that often anymore. For like $10, it's not too bad. No, it's not too bad. Especially those are the more expensive ones. Horse meat sashimi. Now we're talking. Oh God. With different cuts even. You have horse meat sashimi gacha vending machine. Monka. Enjoy your workday, Kai. Bye-bye. Enjoy your workday. Horse meat sashimi gacha. Let's go. I've eaten zebra. Does that count? I think I ate it too. I don't remember it well though. Hmm. 3,000 yen. I mean, horse meat is like a bit more pricey to produce and everything. $20. By the way, do you want to know what also is $20? That stupid durian that I want to eat. I'm still saving for it. Let's say in 1 or 2 months, we're gonna eat durian live on stream. Is that a deal? How do you like your horse girl? Raw. Hopefully alive. No, he got the lowest tier. Oh. Okay, it has a package. Thank you, Azim. Oh wait, he has 3 types of it. And then there's a cutting sheet on it. Oh no, they're pre-cut already. Then you have soy sauce. Could be soy sauce. That's a premium meat. Kind of looks normal. Oh, there's a fat part on it. That is interesting. So the white is just fat. It's pure fat. I wonder how pure horse fat tastes like. I don't remember. Also, Japanese people are completely wild. I'm sorry to say that. I know it's high graded food, yeah, but he just defrosted it and now eats it raw. I know. I know they have regulations for that, but man, just the pure fact that he just got meat out of a vending machine, defrosted and eats it raw, absolutely crazy to me. But man, I hope it's tasty and he doesn't get stomach pain. Tender. It tastes like Wagyu. Oh. Yeah, now it's the fat. I wonder. Should be more gamey, right? The cut should be fat because it looked like it was soft and oily. Mm-hmm. I would be used out of. Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Para. So he says it's not that bad. Interesting. But weird though. Oh boy, more gacha meat. Oh, they have a whole meal. See, those are the eggs that I like. See, those are like the probably those are salmon, I think. The orange ones mainly, those are salmon. Do they sell dragon meat? No, it's not allowed. And I prefer just the smaller black ones. They taste way better. The best ones are the creamy yellow ones though. The creamy yellow ones are peak. Those are the very best. They're not so pungy in their taste. Hello, SCP. Yeah, we had the horse earlier, Gora. Now we have fish eggs again or something. I'm not sure. What are we eating? Oh, it's a gacha blind box dinner, basically. Gacha blind box dinner. But I think it's kind of convenient because like when you don't know what to eat, you have like a selection and you just choose a vending machine and get something to eat out of it. A kind of funny concept. But it's chicken. The strangest meat I've had is probably ostrich. Ostrich is really delicious. That is... Oh, chicken prosciutto. I never ate chicken prosciutto. If you're not a picky eater, this is a neat idea. And then just like put some rice into the rice cooker and then you have like nice meat and the rice and it's perfect dinner. I do be picky with chicken skin though. I would not eat that. I do be very picky with chicken skin. I don't know how you feel about it, but if chicken skin is not freaking crispy like a chip, I don't want it. I'm very picky with chicken skin. I'm sorry. Flavorful, but also pretty plump. Doesn't sound that good. I mean, of course, I think usually you would warm them up. That up, no. Yeah, I never saw chicken prosciutto ever. Would you eat raw chicken like this? Thank you, Asen. Okay, now we have popular fast food. Thank you. Thank you. Oh! They're like all the fast food brands. Spaghetti Mackie. Uh, what's that? Wait, it's like a coupon? Or did he just got a coupon? He did! But why not just go to the McDonald's? What? Or is it like if you can't decide, basically? Yeah, it probably is when you can't decide, maybe. Maybe it's, I mean, if you can't decide, then it's a good idea. But I don't know. When I went to McDonald's back in the day, I only ate the same thing. So I didn't even have to decide. I just knew what I wanted. I always ate the same. Where you get a choice for each selection. Oh. Which will cost more if you buy directly from McDonald's itself. Thank you. So he's not even saving money. Wait, bacon lettuce burger? I want to see that. Is it like bacon burger just in lettuce wrap? They have a no. Oh, okay, okay. Made of capsium, which is pepper. This package design is just peak. Just saying. Yeah, I want to see if this is like a regular burger or a lettuce burger, like wrapped in lettuce too. Okay, it is with a bun. Okay. I thought it's like a low carb variation where you don't have a bun, you just have lettuce that wraps everything in, because that would be freaking peak. But it looks like a nice burger. The bacon, I'm so sorry. Every time they write like crispy bacon or anything onto the McDonald's meal, you know it will be freaking... It will be this. It's never crispy. Never. Wobbly, yeah. Cigarette vending machine. Oh, they're unique. Interesting. Yeah, that is the best bacon when you make it yourself at home. Then it's nice and crispy. What the hell was that? No age restriction? Wait, that's tea? It's tea sticks. Oh, hello, John. We're doing great. How about you? That is kind of funny. That is really funny. Okay, okay. I wonder about the quality though. I wonder about the tea quality though. True, that is a very funny souvenir now that you think about it. Been doing my best to be okay. That's good if you have something, John. Very good. Thank you. Have a nice trip. Mhm. It looks so funny. That's a cute souvenir. That's like a cute, funny souvenir. And it's like very small. You can use it up. Kind of cute. I would buy that. Same. I would buy that too. Hmm. But the packaging is just funny. Hmm. No. It's tea. Reminds me of the childhood days with chocolate or gum. Yeah. I never had chocolate. I think I only had like the gum variety. Now I'm curious if it will actually taste good. I never saw someone doing this before. Hmm. Edible shark sticks. I don't know. I think instead of that, I would just buy the cigarette pack as a souvenir. And if I'm thirsty, I would just buy one of my favorite like Asian drinks that you get out of those vending machines. Um which is green tea with like a roasted wheat kind of thing. It's very, very nice, very tasty. But I would not do that. Sorry. I would just gift it. Wow, I can taste the tea while it's nice and refreshing. I mean, at least it's good, I hope. Oh, they have like special roasted versions too. Where's the whiskey vending machine? Oh, this one is more pricey. Another one. Oh. Yeah, that looks like a nice gift now. Like with the gold foliage on it. That is a nice souvenir that you just like bring a friend with you. Like, here, I was in Japan, I got you this. Very Japanese-ish. Very cool. And you get quite a couple servings out of them. Hard telling you about gold leaf in this box. Oh, that's why it's more expensive. It's gold. In the tea too. Okay, it looks like soil. I'm sorry, man. This looks like dirt water. This looks like pure dirt water. So sorry. Oh, it's a gamba with a gold package. I thought that everyone is like gold. Yeah, I'm not amused. Oh, he found it. He had one gold leaf package. Very true, Moya. Very true. I mean, it's kind of funny and interesting, but this is just so extra, you know? That's just extra. Yeah, the gold doesn't add anything. The gold is just decoration, basically. Golden pond water. Very true. Very true. So extra, so Japanese. I don't understand why people would eat gold. Makes no sense. No, it doesn't. Just put it into freaking stonks. Just put it in stonks. But yeah, that was a really funny video. I hope you liked it. I really did. That was so interesting. I didn't even notice that 20 minutes passed already. Or like more because of the yapping and such. That was really cool. I like that one. That was really nice. We'll put it on YouTube in a couple days. So say hi to YouTube. That was really, really interesting. Very. So it was good. And there were a lot more weird and funny vending machines. Yeah, it was not the classical stuff. It was not the classical vending machine things, which was really nice. I think the most disgusting one was the beans. Hello, future me. Aw. Dancing bacons with a chill. Yeah, I haven't watched any video of them before, so it was really, really interesting. We're gonna watch some more in the future, I guess. Mm. Thank you, Zolti. Please hydrate. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, YouTube. We watch the next video now.